So I have another question now in which I have Zn plus NO3 forms Zn plus NH4 positive. So what I'm going to do here, I have already indicated the oxidation state, as you all know that how you have to find the oxidation numbers. So I have already counted the oxidation state and I have just wrote on this. So now I'm just going to see I'm just going to locate the atoms which are undergoing the change in the oxidation state. So my zinc is getting changed and it is oxidation because oxidation number is increasing by 2. And likewise I see that there is a decrease of N from plus 5 to minus 3, and this decrease obviously in reduction by 8. Right. Now what I need to do is I need to balance the total increase with the total decrease. So one is 8, another is 2, so that means I have 4:1. So that means I need to multiply this figure with 4 and this with 1, because when I cancel it, what I get is 4 and 1. So that means I need to multiply 4 with zinc. So I have 4 Zn and NO3 forms Zn2 positive plus NH4 positive. Right. Now I am going to balance everything except the O and H. So I have 4 Zn, so I am putting 4 here. I have 1 N, hydrogen and oxygen, we do not need to see that. Now it's the time, like we have already balanced all the atoms, now it's the time to balance the hydrogen and oxygen, and I told you that when we start balancing, we balance the oxygen first. And it does not matter that whether the reaction is taking place in an acidic or a basic medium to balance oxygen. So for oxygen, we have 3 oxygen here, we have 0 oxygen here. So that means we need to add 3 water molecules this side. So my oxygen is now balanced, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. Now we are going to balance hydrogen, and to balance hydrogen we need to consider that whether the reaction is taking place in an acidic medium or in a basic medium. I'm recalling that for acidic medium what you do is you add hydrogen ions to a deficient side, and for basic medium you add water molecules to the deficient side of the hydrogen, an equal number of hydroxide ion to the side which is rich in hydrogen. So let us find the hydrogen now. How many hydrogens do I have on this side? 6 and 4, 10 hydrogens, and this is occurring place in the acidic medium. So that means to balance this 4 plus 6, that means 10, this side is actually deficient in hydrogen. So I am going to put 10 hydrogen ions here. So now let us see that is it balanced or not. 4 Zn, 1 N, 1 N, O3, hydrogen 6 plus 4, 10, and this is mine, 10. So that means this is balanced now. So this is how you need to balance by taking into account the oxidation number method, by just looking at whether the reaction is taking place in an acidic medium or in a basic medium. So now let us take an example based on the basic medium. Look at the board.